Hey there, welcome to TechTube. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about how you can buy Bigo diamonds from your PC. So just open your browser or the standalone version of Bigo, go on and log in and just reach your home page. So the first way to actually buy diamonds is just recharge yourself, right? Another way is through the beans conversion. So beans is something you get as a gift from viewers, right? When you go live or something. So you can actually convert those beans to diamonds. That's another way of getting diamonds. And third is actually a simpler way. What you need to do is just go to your web browsers and just type in Bigo diamonds, right? And there are lots and lots and lots of online sites, verified sites like Coder shops, right? So these will actually say sell you uh, Bigo diamonds. So that is the third and the most simple way. Just make sure that you don't get scammed. Make sure the platform that you're buying from is legit and verified. So if this content helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.